Hey everyone, we're on the Carnival Freedom. Here's a picture of our outside interior room window. I know it sounds weird. Look at that Miami skyline, Biscayne Boulevard. So we're on deck 6. A little private area. Room 6205. So we're coming in from outside. I'll show you our room. $62.05. It's kind of an L-shaped room with the bed over here. Got your TV. Your fridge is down below. There's the water we ordered. You have some closets with pull-out drawers. Another single closet, lots of hangers. You can always ask your room steward for more. We got some shelves. That's your 3 closets. Here's the bathroom. Extra large. We're thinking this might be a handicapped room. Large mirror. Your pull-out vanity mirror. And look at the size of this shower. 2 to 3 times the size of a regular interior room shower. Here's our window outside. For an interior room, you still get that view. It's got kind of high railings, but it's nice to be able to see out. And just remember, people out there can see in. So here's our king-size bed. Our nightstands, little cubbies, another nightstand. Here's from the back corner. Looking around from the bed to your TV, to the front door. And that's room 6205, interior cabin with an obstructed view. Thanks.